Hey guys, let's see how to set up this Tapo Smart Wi-Fi Plug. Here I have the P125M, but it works with any Tapo plug. Super simple. As you can see, I have it working already. It's connected here to my lamp. Yeah, I can come here directly to the plug, press a button to turn it off, and then I can press a button to turn the lamp on again. And I can also do this from my Tapo app. Here, see the Tapo P125M. I just come here, turn it off, and then turn back on from here, and I can see everything about this plug. Okay, let me just remove it from here so I can show you how to set it up from scratch. But basically here on the settings, I can just come and remove it. So I just confirm, and you can see back here that starts flashing orange and blue, which means it's ready for the setup. Okay, so you just need to come here to your cell phone, install the Tapo app. If you don't have it installed yet, you just need to come to your app and to App Store and download the app. Create your account, log in, and then you come here to the plus signal and add a new device. From here, just look for plugs. There we go. There are different models like the Tapo P100, Tapo P100M, Tapo P100MA, and a lot of different ones, right? You just need to look for the one that you're using right now. In my case, here is the Tapo P125M. I just tap on it, and here I can just confirm that it's already flashing orange and blue. I just confirm this, and now the plug is going to connect directly to my cell phone via Bluetooth. So make sure that you have Bluetooth enabled on your cell phone. And then the next step is just let the plug know which Wi-Fi to connect to. Here's my router. You can just click here on reselect and choose your router from a list. And here I have my temp password. I just hit next, confirm my password. And now the plug is connecting directly to the router, and it will be available here on the network to communicate with my other Tapo devices. Okay, so here just name it. You can give it the name you want. Hit next, select a location, hit next again, select an icon, next one more time, and just wait for it to finish. You see here, almost done. It's just checking the firmware. It's good. And I have my plug already working again. So I can just turn it off and turn it on from here. And I can also work with smart actions. There's a lot of smart actions available for this plug. Okay, so I have another video here in the channel where I show how to use smart actions so you can have more Tapo device working in your system. Okay, I hope that helps. Basically, that's the way you can set up a Tapo smart plug. Leave your comments here, subscribe, and I see you in the next one.